You are live on the Devcado TV. Keep supporting, keep supporting, keep supporting. Yes, finally, it's about to go down. You see, say, as since morning, we Shatawale and Samini, them a beef, no. They really give birth to with popcorn and some Jamaican top gongs can respond and stuff like that. Where some artists, some big artists in Ghana too, can respond, can tweet, can comment and stuff. Where be like the beef just to go on where you no them, you agree them so they try enter. You see, first of all, I want make you know something. The next talent, the next reggae dancer talent, Afro whatever talent where you have to watch out for in Ghana, it be Ghani Boy. Check the name out, Ghani Boy. GUNNY boy BOY Ghani Boy. Check him out. It gets some deep vibes where you go like, we could go on. You see, as the beef they go on, or Samini promise say he go drop song. He dey enter studio, he go drop song on Friday. Well, look, Samini promise say he go drop you for the high grade family. But I think if Samini drop any song, it's not only for high graders, it's for all of us to enjoy. We are all supporting the reggae dancer fraternity. We just want it to grow. We didn't want it to keep growing. Now Shatawale in there, he come no, he promise in fans say he go drop him on today, and finally he drop him. People, I not go lie you, he drop him. And this one there, you don't need me, you don't need Metusela, you don't need a soothsayer to come and tell you, or you don't need Kinade Tusa, or you don't need Odewale to come tell you say this song, it be this song. Forget about the title of the song, it be this song. But this one, Shatawale, they use them as a curtain raiser. But then I know say if Samini drop, Shatta go enter studio again. Me I know. Shatawale be studio bay, so me I know say he go do am. Big up Shatawale. Say he promise where he never they fail in fans. So such an artist in fans too no go do what they no go fail am. They always go support the work. You see, first of all, I'll make you know, see the song, it dropped the song not too long ago. It dropped the song like 12 minutes after, no, the song already on YouTube. It did 7.2k. After 12 minutes, the song did 7.2k views on YouTube with about 600 and something likes. You see, that is how huge the brand Shatawale or the brand Charles Nyama Mensah is right now in the country or around the world. You see, first the song title they conf people in my mind, but it be simple. It be just an announcement. If they call the song UN General Announcement, UN General Announcement, General Announcement. UN is United Nations, United Nations General Announcement, which means that in Shatawale, as in the Shatta movement representing the United Nations, no, he is giving announcement to all the nations. So the beam nations, the sack nations, the high grade whatever, all of them they under him. So right now it confirms say they under him. So now he is giving announcement to them, say make them watch out. First he said in the song, somewhere in the song, one of the punchline, he say, if Samini tried to disrespect Kolegono, he could disrespect Dansoma. You understand though? If Samini tried to disrespect Kolegono, where he come from, he too go disrespect DC. But then that one there, me I be DC boy. Where I know say you some of you to be DC boys. We no ball. It be music we dey enjoy. We no care. We no get any hard feelings behind it. We just dey enjoy music. Where the song, one thing I like about the song be say, as Wale drop the song, the fans, them reactions be overwhelming. The fans of Shatawale never they disappoint them. That why any battlefield it stand piano, it win. because the fans dey behind am, they dey behind am through the gutter. Even if you call Wale for match for Bibiba Park sef, the fans go still come support. And that thing I dey like about the Shatta Movement fans wey dem dey around the world. I dey like pa. You see, the song there, as at now, me I know say the song is my number one. Yesterday he dropped Them Dead. I think say that was it, if my number one. But now this one to get that dancehall feeling, you know. And you see, anybody way they follow Wale from way back till now, when you dey listen Wale on the dancehall, on the real dancehall, on the commercial level, you know, there, yeah, now that one is for the new people. They can't join the Shatta Movement. But those way they inside long, you know, then they know the kind of lyrics Wale they put on his songs. Go listen to the Answers album, the Foundation album, the Road to Success album, Moving on the Road, Success. So me have to come back and tell them, say whenever they, you see that song? Yes. When you go listen to all those at the Reader album, or full of bad dancehall tunes. So when we hear Wale on the dancehall beat where they flow the lyrics, they be sharp like that, with the love. These are the kind of songs me I dey love from Wale. When they do that monster things on the beat, like that, attitude, like gangster lifestyle. I dey feel to the max. I dey feel. So because of that, I endorse this song. You too, I know say you too go listen to this song finish, and you too go endorse am. But as at now, go Google or go YouTube, Google the name Shatta Wale, and then the song will pop up. Enjoy the song. Make sure you put the song on replay, or very soon the Ghana Motions, the GH Best Promos, the big websites within the Ghana here, all of them could have the songs ready on their site, because the song it dropped almost like 20-30 minutes ago. So all of them will very soon have it on their sites. So get ready to download the song, put it on your replay there, and then the DJs too, because we are all supporting the Ghana music industry. So we put the songs on replay on your playlist, and when Samini drop you on Friday too, we still go add them. But the fans say, make I tell Samini say right now, make you listen to this one and do something similar. We're not the one here Linda Matabia for here.